Welcome back to the Handmade and Beyond podcast. If you're watching this, you can tell it looks a little bit different. It almost looks like I'm in a hotel room because I am. I'm at FlipCon, which is a convention for resellers. I like to go to as many different conventions as possible so I can learn from others, apply that knowledge, whether it's reselling, social media, YouTube, to my own business so I can grow and improve. So, pardon the mess, pardon the weird video in the hotel room. I have a special episode for you guys today. I want to break down the top 5 fan favorite Freaky Friday products that I've found. Freaky Friday is an episode that I do every once in a while to find the top weird, wacky, funny things on Etsy and bring it to you guys so we can look at them together and you can be like, wow, I can't believe that exists on Etsy. So I'm going to break down the top 5 fan favorites for you today, starting with 5, the 5th ranked one, and then going the whole way to 1. We're going to start at number 5. We're going to jump to that right now.
So let's dive in. I will show you guys what I got here. All right, so this one is literally called Useless Machine. And it is, if you're not watching this and you're just listening, it is basically, it looks like an aluminum box. And it has a switch on it on the one top end, and then there's like a coin slot almost on the bottom end. And then the front side, there's like a button. It looks like a button at least. And it's literally called in the title, just Useless Machine. And there's really not much information about it. It's just says in the description, finally a gift for anyone that doesn't have a Christmas list, a great desk toy that makes everyone smile with no information given. It's a complete surprise. It may be a useless purchase, but everyone will flip the switch. All right, so luckily they have a video because I was like, what is this thing? So in the video, it shows, if you play the video, you literally flip the switch and a little arm comes out of the coin slot and turns the switch back off. And that's it. That is what it does. It literally just turns the switch off when you flip the switch on. Really no point to this thing whatsoever. I guess it's just it's like a gag gift, but people just have to flip the switch and then it just turns it back off. So completely useless machine. So they described it really well. It's just unbelievable. I mean, this thing is $95. I'm assuming they've sold some, but it's definitely, something that people are buying probably as a gift. Maybe something that people put on their desk for a boss or a loved one or whatnot. But it's literally a machine that does nothing. Really, there's no point to this thing whatsoever. So you have to check it out. If you guys aren't watching this, you check out the video on the website or on YouTube. But it's really funny. I just couldn't believe it. I was like, man, people are actually buying this thing that's called a useless machine. So very, very interesting and kind of funny thing.
All right, the next one is number 4 as we're counting down the top 5 freakiest Friday finds that I've found on Etsy.
This next one, I don't know what to say. It is a pet nugget, a pet chicken nugget in a little glass case, and it has a little eyeballs and a little mouth on it. It's kind of cute. I guess if you're a fan of chicken nuggets, or you just want a pet chicken nugget, this is good. Make a good gift, I guess. But it is pretty cute. I guess you can personalize it to have something, say something on the description card. You can add a heart on it, a mini heart. I don't know. I don't really know what to say about this other than the fact that it is definitely interesting, definitely a little weird. But what's even crazier and weirder is the fact that it has had 239 sales at almost $10 a piece. So quite a lot of people want this little cute pet chicken nugget for their collection, for their bookshelf, wherever. It looks like it's pretty small too, because the picture, the person's holding it in their hand, and it's pretty darn small. I don't know if they have the actual dimensions. It only looks like it's a couple inches tall and a couple inches wide. Definitely neat. I'm pretty sure it's not real, so don't try and eat this thing. I don't know what it's made out of.
And that brings us to number 3.
And I'm going to start out, I'm going to go out of the gate with a bang. And this is super weird, kind of funny, but it is a baby arm headband. So if you're not watching this via YouTube, I'm going to describe this as best as possible, but I'm sure you can imagine what I'm saying. It's literally a baby arm sticking out. It looks like it's sticking out of someone's head. So it's a headband with a baby arm on it. That you can wear around. You know, you can wear it out on your night out on the town, maybe wear it out to dinner. It wouldn't be weird, I don't think, to have a baby's arm sticking out at the top of your head when you're going out and about. People probably won't look at you weirdly. It's just going to be like an everyday thing, right? So I don't know why you would buy this, but hey, it's selling online. I'm going to link to it in the description. For the store, but there is currently 10 sales. It's selling for $20 a pop, and it has 10 sales already. So that's $200 selling a baby's arm sticking out of your head headband. So you can make money selling pretty much anything. This is just another example of that. So this is pretty funny.
We are getting closer. We are down to number 2 on our Freaky Friday top 5 list.
The original Shave and Play Barbie Wannabe, or sorry, Barbie Wannabe. It's like a white elephant gift, adult gag gift. So literally what this is, it looks like a Barbie doll, but it has hair everywhere. It has a beard, it has chest hair, it has arm hair, it has leg hair, and then it comes, I'm gonna flip to another picture, it comes with a legit razor. So yeah, you can get, they call it a Barbie. It's not a Barbie, even though it looks like a Barbie, but it has tons of hair all over it, that people could, I guess, shave. I don't think you're really going to shave with it, but yeah, it's pretty much a gag gift. It just looks really weird. It's pretty funny. And I can't imagine if you gave this as a white elephant gift or as like a gag gift to someone, they open it up, they're going to think that you're nuts because there's hair all over this doll. I want to know, I'm wondering how they even make this. If they probably don't get actual Barbies because that's probably really expensive. They probably get some more generic doll and then they attach all this fake fur. I mean, hopefully it's fake. Oh my goodness. I hope that this is not real hair, but I don't know if it says that or not. So yeah, it says need a gag gift. That will be the hit of the party. Get the original Shave and Play Barbie. You've played with the regular Barbie, but this Shave and Play Barbie, she is unlike any other doll you've played with. She is furry and ready for a trim. Whip out the razor included and give her a style of her own. Barbie will love her new silky smooth hair-free self. All right, so if you guys need a Barbie, check out the shop. It's like Thoughtful Tot shop, and they have 38,000 sales, or I'm sorry, 3,800 sales. Still a lot of sales. They're clearly doing well. I don't know if Barbie is their best seller or not, but if you guys need a gag gift, white elephant gift, this is pretty out there. So.
And finally, the number 1, the one that takes the cake, the top Freakiest Friday thing that I've found in my Freaky Friday archives. Let's dive in and show you number 1. All right, moving on to the next one, and be prepared. This next one is definitely creepy. Boom, there it is. This is, I'm going to butcher this, Macellarius Miniatures? I don't even know how to say that. And the shop is Baby Creatures. I'm like scared to even see what other stuff is on this shop. I really am. And what's crazy is this thing is $524. It is carved entirely by hand, they're saying, from silicone paste. Technique developed by me over time. Yeah, this product is extraordinarily creepy. This thing creeps me out. That's the side view. That is, oh my god, that's the top view. And that's the front, and so it's like the size of a hand, but I can barely look at this thing. This thing freaks me out. All right, so let's see how many sales this bad boy has gotten. So 8 sales, and since it's so much money, it's the revenue is $4,000 off 8 sales, and I mean it's shocking that people would spend $500 on this thing, but there is
definitely an audience for this type of stuff, in case you haven't realized that already, for creepy, weird, goofy type stuff.